In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Microsoft OneDrive on Windows 11. If you no longer use OneDrive or you just want to clean up apps you do not need on your computer, Windows 11 makes the uninstall process pretty simple. I'll walk you through it slowly so you can follow along without missing anything. To begin, open the Settings app. You can do that by clicking the Start menu and selecting Settings, or by using the quicker keyboard shortcut, Windows plus I. Either method will take you to the same place, so use whichever feels easier for you. Once Settings is open, look over to the left-hand side and click on Apps. This section is where Windows keeps the controls for installed programs, default apps, and other application-related settings. After that, choose Installed Apps. That will open a full list of the software currently installed on your device. Now you need to find Microsoft OneDrive in that list. If you have a lot of apps installed, scrolling can take a while, so it may be easier to use the search field at the top of the page. Just type OneDrive, and Windows should quickly narrow the results so you can spot it more easily. When you see Microsoft OneDrive, click the More menu next to it. This is the small three-dot icon on the right side of the app entry. That menu gives you extra options for managing the app. From there, select Uninstall. Windows will then ask you to confirm that choice. Click Uninstall again to continue. This extra confirmation step is normal, and it helps prevent accidental removal of apps. After that, simply follow the uninstall prompts that appear on your screen. Depending on your system, the process may finish very quickly, or it may take a moment while Windows removes the program. During this step, just let the uninstall complete without closing the windows too early. Once the process is done, Microsoft OneDrive will be removed from your Windows 11 computer. If you ever change your mind later, you can always reinstall it from Microsoft's official sources, and that's all there is to it. You open Settings, went to Apps and Installed Apps, located Microsoft OneDrive, opened the three-dot menu, selected Uninstall, confirmed it, and followed the remaining prompts. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you remove OneDrive from Windows 11 quickly and easily.